So, Dr. Hendricks, can a patient come in for a facelift and get the CO2 laser resurfacing treatment at the same time?
Yes, yes. In fact, they go very well together. I highly recommend that both of them should be done at the same time. You know, we talk about making everything in harmony. You have 3 or 4 guitar strings, and if one string is out of tune, the whole chord sounds awful. If you have rejuvenation of your face, and say the facial structures have been moved to where you look 15 years younger, but you still have severe sun damage, there's kind of a disconnect. If you see some of the fine lines, it's a disconnect between the condition of your skin, the age of your skin, and the apparent age of your face. So I think they go very, very well together. They're complementary. That you rejuvenate and restructure the face to put the tissue back in a place that was, and reduce the apparent age of the person by moving those structures. But then taking care of, at the very last, before patient is awakened or before the surgery is finished, is rejuvenating the skin. And so it all matches, it all balances, it all fits, it's all in harmony. So it's just, it's really, it's a perfect combination because it's all done.